business owners and homeowners all across America are experiencing the Fenetex difference.
Hi, I'm Freddie Wehbe. I'm the managing partner of Spurrier's Gridiron Grille and one of the owners here. Initially, we built a patio without shades, and we had to add shades after the fact. And we worked with Discovery Shades and added the Fenetex shades to help perceive this value of the space.
The name of our company is Discover Shade, and shortly after Spurrier's opened, they knew they had a problem. It was just simply too hot. So they came to us, and we knew exactly what product they needed in order to incorporate this amazing outdoor space they have. And we have a 95% solar screen that we installed. The advantages are it blocks out heat as well as bugs and many other things. When it's raining, they're still able to sit guests out here when the screens are shut.
And they did a great job in the installation, and it was amazing what it's done for us from saving our customer base. This is a very busy restaurant, and when those 65 seats are needed, we can use them now knowing that we have good shades to do the job when it rains and when it's hot.
It just really is such a popular restaurant since the moment it opened. It's just been really amazing what they've been able to do since having the screen.
The quality of the screens is very good. Fenetex was the choice that Megan recommended. We went with that, and we're very happy with Fenetex. It does the job whether it's raining or during the heat, during the summer. We use it almost daily, and without it, we can continue to serve in the 65 space area.
Freddie, it's been such a pleasure working with you guys here at Spurrier's, and we're wondering how it was working with Discover Shades.
The experience is amazing. From installation, from design, to today, everything has been fantastic, and we wouldn't do it with anyone else.
Find out about the Fenetex difference and the lifetime warranty today.